Hello everyone, welcome to Jadis Arts Academy channel. My name is Malvik Squats and I am a web developer. In our last video, I showed you how you can create a drop-down menu, and we even styled it, and we even went to create a hidden style just to give it that unique web developer professional style. And I promised you that in our next video, which is this one, we are going to create a drop-down text. Now, a drop-down text is not so popular as a drop-down menu, and that is because it's been overlooked by a lot of people. But after watching this video, you'll be able to know which is a drop-down text, and you'll be able to see how they work. So before we start, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and open your text editor and create an HTML file and a CSS file. Once you've done all of that, we can begin coding. Welcome to Jadis Arts Academy. My name is Malvik Squats, and today we're going to create a drop-down text. In my last video, I showed you how you can create a drop-down menu, and we went through with that. And today I'm going to show you how you can create a drop-down text. So before I start, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as you can see, I've opened my text editor and I've opened the HTML file in a browser. So we're going to start with a div class drop-down. Then we add the span, mouse over me. Then we save and refresh. There, mouse over me. And div class drop down content. Hello world. Okay, so the whole idea of it is that we want the mouse over me, the one we've added as a span, to sort of drop down this text, which is hello world. And this might not be a very popular drop down, but it is something that more than 10% of websites they use. Although you may not notice it, but now you do. After watching this video, you'll see how it works, and when you come across it, you'll be able to know what it is and how it works. And then the style will be dropping down. We save and then refresh. Now it's relative, and then the display inline block. Then drop down content. Display none, the position absolute, and the background color will be We'll save that and then we'll refresh and see it. It's invisible and nymph with 160 pixels, and the box shadow will be 0 pixel, 8 pixel, 16 pixels, 0 pixel, we save and refresh, and when we do that, okay, we'll move the display here, none, and then finally we refresh. Now to make it visible, we are going to write the drop down hover, then drop down content, display, lock. And that's the end of our style. So we're gonna refresh it and see how the drop down text looks like. There. Mouse over me, and when we do that, it says hello world. So there, you can use it in a blog website, you can use it in any website of your choice, and this is more like another feature that you can add in your website to give it that professional look. And so you've seen that it's not only drop down menu that is a drop down in HTML, we also have the drop down text, and as you can see, you can change the wordings. Instead of mouse over me, you could add something like hello, this info is for you, or important news, and then you write the short news, and here it could be a link or anything that you want. And so we have added another useful feature in our website. So thank you very much for watching this video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can create a drop-down image. So far you've seen how you can create a drop-down menu and a drop-down text, as you can see. So our drop-down image, you are going to see how it goes about. Hopefully after this video I'll post it soonest. So thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Please, I really appreciate that. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.